Hi guys, a very warm welcome. This is Mehak Nair from Bodyprocoach Nutrition, and yes, I'm back today with a really healthy main course meal. So I have got a number of queries and suggestions and requests from a lot of our viewers saying that they want more Indian option. So yes, today we are back here with an Indian recipe. So we're going to be doing a healthy oats methi roti with a raita. So let's see how do we go about it. One large mixing bowl. In the mixing bowl I have 1 cup of oats flour. So you can see in the previous video what we have. Then we are showing you how do we make an oat flour. So that's an oat flour. Next I have 1 cup of FENUGREEK, that's methi. 1 cup of methi leaves. Next I have onion, garlic and ginger. We're going to use less of them, so I'm going to advise you how much to be used step by step. Pink Himalayan rock salt and olive oil as per the requirement. So in a blender I have taken 1 small handful of fenugreek, that's methi leaves, fresh one. I've taken half an onion chopped. I've taken 2 small pieces of ginger and 2 small pieces of garlic. I'm going to blend this now. Now we're going to add some pinch of rock salt and here I have the mixture what we made of the fenugreek leaves. I'm going to add it to this and I'm going to make a dough. So our dough is ready and now we are going to make small rotis. So I'm going to break one portion and roll it nicely. There you go. It's a really neat dough and the rotis I'm sure are going to come out really fluffy. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to take some oats flour. That's the same flour what we use to make the chapati, and I'm going to do the chapati. There you go. So if you want a perfect roti and you want to see the complete circle of the roti, you could take any utensil and just cut it through and you would get a nice chapati. And then just flip it over a non-stick and cook it on slow flame. There you go. So till that roti is getting cooked, I'm going to quickly make one more for you guys. It is optional. You could also grease it slightly with olive oil if you want. So here I have 1 small cup of curd. I'm going to add freshly grated garlic to it. So that's dry garlic. I'm going to add some basil leaves to it. And lastly, little rock salt to it. There you go. Gonna mix it well. And yes, here we go. So we have a complete meal which is ready. So our healthy oats methi roti is ready with the raita. So it's a complete meal. The reasons why you choose this as your meal, why? Because oats It's high in soluble fiber. It is extremely low in calories. It contains only 1.5 grams of fat. It is really low in GI, glycemic index. That means it helps you to get your weight loss process really fast. But yes, all of these have to be had in only adequate quantity and under a guidance. So please follow our channel. Please log in, stay tuned. You will come to know how much to have, what to have. Next, methi. Methi helps you to reduce and lower your blood sugar levels. Again, it aids digestion. It helps you to control your appetite. That means it will help you to give more satiety and will give you really amazing results. So that's the reason you should choose an oats and methi roti. Combined with a raita. So we have shown you the recipe of that same also. Thank you for watching our video. Please stay tuned with our channel. Hit that bell button so that you get intimation, because we have information, train to good look, naked and food videos coming every week. So please like our channel, subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you and see you soon.